FBA Performance and the GS300 build. Today what we need to do is delete all this ABS and traction control stuff. So we already got rid of the accumulator over there. We want to get rid of the traction actuator right here, and the ABS already isn't working, so we're going to delete the ABS whole thing out of there and try and just get it down to basically these two lines here. So those two lines there, and then whatever two lines that we need coming off of there, like this one from the accumulator is already off, so we can take that off. So I'm gonna figure out, I guess, first of all, getting rid of this and that, see what lines I can minimize it down to. All right. This bigger line here seems to be an ABS return. Goes into here, up this one, and back to the top of the reservoir there. So what we're gonna do is take it off here, move this hard bend up to the top here, and then, so we have this hose pinched off from our accumulator, take the hose from there and loop it down to there, and that should solve our problem with this dead-ended hose here. Then it looks like this line here from the ABS goes all the way around to the other side, comes over here and goes into the wheel well there, so that goes to one of the brakes there. All of the hard lines to this are now disconnected, and I took all the bolts out that are holding it in. Once I remove that, I'm going to put the bolts back in the holes they came from, just to plug them, and then if I want to build brackets or something off of that, I got hardware right there. So it should just come right out now in our junk pile. We're also going to get rid of this horn or chime or whatever that is right there. This one here is also mostly disconnected. I got all the hard lines off that went to the ABS here, except for there's maybe two back behind there that I haven't got to yet. All right, the traction actuator is gone now. That little horn thing that was over here is gone now. What I've decided we're going to do is run a copper line from each one of these, one to the front brake and one to the other front brake, and only run the front brakes off of here. Now, Matt would say that's, you know, sketchy and dangerous and not smart, and he's 100% completely right, but I want to do it anyway, because then what I can do is take these two rear ones here and run my hydraulic brake to that. Super simple. Then we'll have front brakes, so we can just do standing burnies and then hydraulic, you know, whenever we feel like ripping the stick. Of course, that's more money because I'm gonna have to buy hydro e-brake now, but you know, it's worth it. Working on making brake lines. I got this tool from Eastwood. I really like it. It works good on and off the car. You know, I had some of the other sets that probably cost about the same much as this does, and this only fits one size, but I mean, if you're doing a lot of the same size, this is a really good tool. Same tool you get on the tool truck, but you know, probably 15% cheaper or more. All right, that's gonna be it for this episode. Right here, we got our new copper brake line, so one there and one all the way across to there. Accumulator deleted, actuator deleted, ABS deleted. So yeah, a lot of stuff gone, a lot more room. And we'll be doing the hydro brake line sometime when I get the e-brake stuff. And I still have to put those two together with a barb fitting. So thanks for watching this episode. Please like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. Peace.
Broadcast Performance is what it stands for.